everybody, and welcome to our winter writing workshops. My name is Eloise Williams and I'm a children's author and also Children's Laureate Wales, and I'm really excited because Literature Wales have asked me to run some winter word workshops with you, and I think it's going to be really good fun. I thought we'd start off with a winter island workshop because my first book, Ellen's Island, is set on an island, as you can tell from the title, and it was really good fun to write. So I thought that would be a fun activity for us to do together. So what I'd like you to do is get yourself a pen and a piece of paper, or a pencil or a felt or a crayon, I really don't mind. And I'd like you to write a list of words that make you think of winter. So you might want to think about weather in winter, or you might want to think about food, or what kind of animals come out, or anything you celebrate in winter, or even clothes that you wear, anything at all that makes you think of winter. Then once you've got a list, what I'd like you to do is cut that list up. So you've got one word per piece of paper. So lots and lots of pieces of paper with one wintry word on them. And then we're going to put them into a winter word cauldron. Now, for a cauldron, you might want to use a bowl. So you can put them all into a bowl and give it a stir, or you can use a bobble hat if you like, put them all into a bobble hat and give it a shake, or you might want to make it snow. Lots of wintry words everywhere. Then, once you've separated all those words or mixed them up, I'd like you to pick them out and see if you can make any interesting combinations of words. Words that might not necessarily go together usually, or surprising combinations of words. Do they bring back any memories for you? Have a discussion with somebody. Do they start any stories in your imagination? If an alien came down from outer space and landed with you right there, would you be able to describe winter to them with those words? Have fun, see how many combinations you can come up with, and I look forward to seeing you in activity 2.